in real time, I got people defending Kamala Harris already. They're like, no, Kamala Harris got this in the bag. She sounds like a third grader. Have you ever seen and heard Kamala Harris speak anywhere? She sounds like a third grader. She talks in a rhyme. She goes, so today we are going to put the buses over there, and then tomorrow we are going to put the buses over there. Women don't even like her. Trump is gonna annihilate this chick. Oh, I'm crying. Yeah, you got it off me now. I'm crying. Over there, over there.